What's up, guys? Wanted to show off the latest project that I got. So recently I've been needing to get back into a truck. If you know, I sold my truck a while ago. I've been using my Gladiator with the V8 swap and it's done fine, but now I'm needing to tow, more weight, so I picked myself up a new trailer. Need something I can tow, but we're also looking for a new vehicle because now that we have our son and another one coming, we're wanting to get more space for traveling and to be able to carry 4 dogs with us as well at the same time. So in comes the Excursion. So I picked up this 2005 Eddie Bauer Excursion. Lights and stuff were done by the previous owner. The wheels and tires I just put on because the other ones were just terrible. So obviously bronze and nittos, that I put them on there. But it's in fantastic condition for what it is. So I opted for the gasser. Now, I used to have a 7.3 diesel back in the day, and it was great. I thought maybe I would get into a 6.0 diesel. Sorry, I'm getting text messages at the same time. I thought I would jump into a 6.0 diesel, and I was like, I could build it up, but then you're trying to find something with higher mileage in hopes that it doesn't already have an issue. So I figured, let's do this. So I got the 6.8 liter V10 in this guy. And I'll get to that in a second. So we're going to start with the interior. I plan on pulling the entire interior. So this has the Eddie Bauer. It's actually not that bad. Most annoying thing is just that it has an elbow rip on the part where you put your elbow, right? But it's got, the interior that you would expect from an older vehicle back in the day. Super clean, lots of space. And it's got trunk for days, right? So, my plan is I will be pulling door panels, rear seats, front seats, center console, front dash, all going to come out. I will be putting in a newer Super Duty interior, everything, all new audio, sound deadening the floor, new carpet, redoing the headliner, pretty much redoing everything on the inside with new stuff. Exterior. My plans are to do newer Super Duty axles, so the 05 Plus. The rears, I am going to make new leaf spring mount so I can run a newer Super Duty progressive rear spring, get all the work comfortable of a ride. The front, I will be doing coil conversion, and I'll be doing a radius arm first, and then I'll be building a 4-link, and I'll be building all of these parts by hand. And then once I kind of get everything figured out, I will go and get things laser cut, and there'll be something to be able to purchase. There's a few companies out there that already make this. They just have some flaws that I know that could be changed and be done better. So that would make the ride updated. That would make the interior updated. I got this one specifically because the paint was already in decent condition. There are some marks you can see here and there, but not enough that I need to actually repaint the whole entire thing. But when you get a gas motor, that means it's cheaper, so I can put more money into it right away. I'll be putting a 7.3 liter gas, so a Godzilla motor, into it, with a 10-speed. Hopefully a 10R 140 if I can find one. Otherwise, I have a 10R 80 that's available. But that is the plan with this, is to pretty much build what an Excursion would be like today if we're out there. I like the way these old body styles look, so I have no problems with the outside. Maybe it's something that I might maybe update the front and update the rear to get the, newer headlights and such. We'll see. But super stoked for this. I'm doing the coil swap and everything first. I just picked this up like a week and a half ago. And so I got a few things to take care of surgery wise, and I'm going to be jumping right into this, hopefully, if it allows me. So coil swap, new Super Duty interior, new motor, everything. I'm actually going to pull the whole body off, redo all the body mounts, all the fuel lines, all the brake lines. I'm going to rip every single one out, do a new fuel cell, do stainless steel lines front to back. So in theory, everything is going to be brand new inside this vehicle, aside from every once in a while, maybe some door wiring, overhead light wiring, stuff like that. But my plan is to have it to where it is damn near new. Everything has a brand new part on it. So super stoked for it. If you guys have any questions, or hey, you've done this, or this is what I should do, comment them down below. I'm trying to be more active on my YouTube with the comments, so I'm sorry if you've ever commented and never got a response. I'm trying to be better at it. But give me a thumbs up if you think this is a pretty rad ride. Super stoked to do it. The first one's going to be a gasser. Then eventually, once I get this one done, I'm going to do a diesel. Just because they came out with a 6.7 and 6R 80 standalone kit. And I think that'd be rad as hell on one of these with the old one, instead of taking the body and swapping it over there. Because then you're buying a $60,000+ truck, plus trying to buy this. And it would just be an absurd amount of money when you could do it for less and have it done properly still. All right, y'all. See you next video.